Hey, it's Tim at Engine Factory. We just finished building this beautiful 302 Ford 350 horsepower turnkey package engine for our customer's 1965 Mustang. Go over some of the highlights on our engine build. We have the 302 Ford roller lifter camshaft in there, double roller timing chain, brand new timing cover, high flow fuel pump, heavy duty Russell fuel lines, inline gas filter, oil pressure extension on there for easy oil pressure switch hookup, brass freeze plugs installed, engine block painted the Ford blue, proper oil pan, 65 Mustang front sump oil pan, roller rocker arms fully adjusted and set, AFR aluminum cylinder heads. It's real nice Ford Racing blue valve covers with a matching air cleaner, distributor set in place, MSD ignition coil, quick fuel carburetor on there, throttle return spring, throttle cable ball and bracket, manifold vacuum fittings installed for easy vacuum hookups, proper standard flywheel for the customer's transmission, proper tooth count and balance for the 302 Ford, pellet bearings installed, PCV ventilation line on there, heavy duty Russell line, electric choke wire, Taylor ignition wires, made in USA, all the wire markers are on there. The Raptor pulley kit is on here. They have the AC compressor, heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt, self-tensioning belt tensioner, high flow aluminum water pump, proper lower hose location for the 65 Mustang passenger side, proper thermostat housing, thermostats installed, coolant bypass hose, oil stick and tube, 160 amp one wire hookup alternator, power steering pumps on there. Every engine is live run at the Engine Factory for over 45 minutes. You're going to get a video of your engine running in the stand, manifold vacuum reading, water temperature, oil pressure cold and hot, ignition timing will be set, carburetor fully adjusted, all the mixer screws ready to go. Again, this is our 302 Ford 350 horsepower turnkey engine for the customer's 65 Mustang. Thanks for watching.